All except for that noisy filter. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I need a new impeller in there. But I was trying to get as much wear and tear out of it as possible. Alright, so I unplugged it. I disconnected these tubes so that I could remove this part in the middle here and get to that impeller. I actually don't have another one of these on hand, so I'll have to order one. But I have another filter running in there while it comes in. But what I can see is that there are a lot of striations on this part of the impeller, and it's supposed to be totally smooth. And that's what's causing the noise. But we got a lot of good wear out of it, as you can see there. And we